Okay, so today is our 14th class, and I hope everyone have completed everything as per discussed yesterday. Okay, so let's go to the today agenda. So today we are going to discuss on field dependency, field history tracking, validation rule, and workflow actions. Okay, so the first topic is field dependency. So what do you understand by field dependencies? Any guess?
I think required for maybe
Okay. Suppose we have two different fields, and I want to populate data of second field on the basis of first one. Okay. So for those scenarios, we can use field dependencies. Just for example, if I will talk about this India, okay. So in India, we have multiple states, right? And each state is having multiple districts. So same way we can create two fields. One will be state and another will be districts. Okay. And as soon as I will select any specific value from state, then respective district should be displayed in the next field. Okay. So in those scenarios, we can use this field dependency. And another scenario we can say category and subcategory. So whatever category I will select, on the basis of that category only other subcategory will display in the next field. So for that we have field dependency in Salesforce. So one field is dependent on another field. Okay. So let's go to the org. So we have to go to a specific object, like I am going to user story. Okay, and under user story we have field and relationships. So here you will see, you can see this field dependency, right? Once you will click field dependency, so here we have option to create a new field dependency. Okay, so just click on this new, and here you can see controlling field and dependent field. Controlling field is the main field on the basis of which the data will appear in the dependent field. Okay. So normally we use this field dependency for picklist fields. Okay. So here we have a status picklist field, and we don't have more picklist field here in this object. So we will go ahead and create two fields, two picklist fields. And for this field dependency, you can see also detail here, create a field dependent relationship that calls the value in the picklist or multi-select picklist to be dynamically filtered based on the value selected by the user in the another field. The field that drives filtering is called as controlling field, and the standard and custom checkboxes and picklist with at least one and less than 300 values can be controlling field. Okay, so we have 300 values on which we can add this control. The field that has its value filter is called a dependent field. Custom picklist and multi-select picklist can be dependent field. Okay, so I have already explained these things. Select a controlling field and a dependent field, then click continue when finished. Okay, so for this, I will go ahead and create two different picklist values. So let's go ahead and create new field, and that is a picklist. So I will be selecting this picklist, and next. And here we have to give the picklist field name. So I'm just giving as a category. Enter the value. So I will be adding that picklist value category. What we can give here, technical. I'm just giving these values just for demo purpose, and these value will be dependent on the basis of the requirement. So for now, I'm just giving technical and non-technical. Okay, so for name wise also I can see categories. I will add the skill category. Okay, and I have added this technical and non-technical, and then next, and save, and I will create another one. The next field will be pick list, and I will give a name as a skill subcategory. Okay, and for this subcategory pick list, I am just giving it like 1 second, Java, PHP, Salesforce. Okay, and subcategory HTML, and I am also adding some non-technical. So non-technical will be accounting, uh, sales. Okay, and what else we can add? Like marketing. Okay, so I have just added some pages value for the demo purpose, and display value alphabetically. I will just click the checkbox and save. Now we have two fields, right? Category and subcategory. And if I will go to the record level, let me go to that. And second. If I will open any user story, so here you can see this a skill category and a skill subcategory options are coming, right? So if I will select this category, so here you can see technical and non-technical is coming, and for this subcategory, it's displaying all values, right? Accounting, HTML, Java, marketing, everything is coming. But I want, if I will select technical, then only technical skills should display. But here it's not coming, right? And if I will select this non-technical, so only non-technical skills should display. So right now it's not coming. So we have to create a field dependency now. So as soon as I will select this skill category as a technical, so only technical skills should display in subcategory. But right now it's not coming, right? So let's go ahead and create field dependency. So here under field and relationship, we have field dependency, new field dependency, and here we have option for both fields, right? Skill category, skill subcategory. So controlling field, which one will be the controlling? a skill category will be controlling, because on the basis of this skill category, we want to display data in subcategory. So I'm just giving a skill as category, the controlling field, and dependent field I'm giving a skill subcategory. Okay, skill category. So one second, let me rename it. It should be skills, because skill doesn't look good. So I will just edit and I will add a skills category, and skills. Okay. Okay. Now I will change the name of the subcategory as well. Edit skills subcategory. Okay, now field dependency. I will select as a skills category and dependent field as a skills subcategory and continue. Okay. So as soon as I will continue, so it will display all the values of category and subcategory both. And here we have option to select which value I want to display for the selected category. I mean controlling and dependent. Okay. So for this skill category, you can see as of now I have added only two, so two options are coming. As soon as I will add more, then all those will also appear in this table. So for technical, I want to select only HTML, Java. So if you want to select multiple, then we have to click on the control, and then we have to click that value. So HTML, Java, PHP, and Salesforce. So I have selected these four for technical, and for non-technical side, I will select accounting, marketing, sales. Okay, and then include values. Okay, and then save it. So here we have option include and exclude. If you want to remove, then you have to select, and then you have to click on this exclude value. If you want to include, then we have to select that value and include, and now save it. So we have created a field dependency. If I will again go to this field dependency here, then you will get option. Whatever the field dependency we have created, so those will appear here. So from here you can also edit or delete. If you don't want, then you can delete. If you want to edit anything, then you have to just edit and select the respective value. So here you can see controlling field and dependent field. Okay. So all those dependencies you will get under this type. If I will go to the record level, so as of now you can see we have it's displaying all values, right? So as soon as I will refresh it, so after refresh, it will, one second. So here you can see a skills category, right? And since it's a dependent field, so that's why this subcategory is disabled. You can't give any value directly on this subcategory field. That is a dependent field because controlling field is category. So until unless I will provide any value in category, this option will not be enabled. So here skill category, I will just select a value, technical, and now you can see it's enabled for selecting any value. So this subcategory, it's displaying only HTML, Java, PHP, and Salesforce, whatever the skills I have selected. So only those options are coming. As soon as I will select as a non-technical, so it will auto refresh in backend and it will display only those values. Accounting, marketing, sales. Okay, so I'm just selecting technical and then PHP and save it. Second category. New. It will take some time to reflect. Let me create new test. Okay, and friends. I will just select technical and then select PHP, save it. Load the data are not coming on second. Let me log out and clear the cache. Okay. So here we can see a skill category and subcategory, both values are populating. Okay, so likewise we can create multiple category and subcategory. Multiple dependent field, and that might be related to other picklist fields. Okay. Any doubt in field dependency?
No, sir. It's clear.
Sorry.
No, sir. Clear.
Okay. So field dependency. Okay. So likewise, we can create multiple field dependencies on any object, and we can modify it whenever we will need. We just have to click on this edit and then go to that selection, and we can also remove if we want. We just have to select this and exclude this value, so it will be removed. Okay, so I don't want to remove, so I will just include this and save it.
Is it possible to create multiple dependencies like first select technical, then skill, then third field open for selecting?
Multiple on the same field you are talking about?
Yes, sir.
No,
It
same field.
like
Mhm.
yeah. Like first select your batch, then technical, non-technical, then skill field open like PHP and
Yeah, so first of all, batch. If you are creating a batch, so batch will be a picklist field, okay? And on the basis of batch, you want to display this skill category, right?
yeah.
Yeah, we can. you just have to create another field batch, and then we have to create a dependency between batch and a skill category. And then as soon as we will select this skill category, and on the basis of that, it will display subcategory. Okay, so whenever you will do the change, so here we have option to review as well before saving. So here preview option is there. So as soon as you will click on this, so it will preview like this. Subcategory technical, and then subcategory these values are coming. So we can test in day work without going to the record level. So this is the preview of all this dependency. Okay.